Oh, dang, bro. You gonna do your bike? Yeah. Show me how to hit it.
Well, night and day difference.
The sliding door. Oh, okay. I hope this stuff works.
Oh, dude. Wow.
looks like blue milk.
Oh, that's pretty rusty.
Okay, now let's see if it works.
Probably isn't the best way to wash them.
Huh?
I don't see any other way.
What?
To wash them like this with the...
Well, how do you do it normally?
I don't know. I think you should have like specialized tools or something. But you know, chamois works.
I mean, that's why I've done it. Put bearings in there, make them all rusty. There we go. I think that's good too.
Oh, I was tipping on something. Do you know?
Did you put the bucket?
It's right here.
Yeah, we'll put my water in there too. Yeah, it's hard to get all the nooks and crannies
Yeah.
and stuff like this, but let's get the idea of it. More water in the buckets.
Yeah, I could probably use a little bit more. Get that shock nice and squeaky. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Easy. Okay. So.
Bike maintenance 101. Nice. He's got a matching set there.
You like that? How do you move around the chain again? Don't you have to mess with these things?
Yeah, it's those two bolts. Well, you have to...
What?
Don't you have to loosen the bolt? You have to loosen the bolt
This?
first. Yeah, so the wheel can move, I think.
I think you're right.
I don't know, it's been a while.
It has been a while, hasn't it? You know, I'm kind of tool inept here. Let me know if that works. They're gonna be too big. Try it on the, yeah, that side.
Oh, I think that's good.
All right, we'll use that, and then we'll have to. I think we could just. What does that side dig?
Probably the same size.
Do you think?
Let me check. Oh no, it's smaller.
Oh, 17 works. Nice.
Nice. Okay.
It's way too easy to turn.
Well, they're already loose. Oh yeah, look at this little dangle.
Yeah.
Dang.
I know, that's what I'm saying. So, don't you have to look at the wheel and see if it's straight?
Yeah, you want to do them at the exact same. So whatever you do on this side,
However many turns.
do on the other side as well.
But I don't think they're in the same spot.
No, yeah,
as
you
far-
need to get them in a.
Yeah, they're
good
not. This side is a lot more. There's a lot more room than this side. Come look. See how much smaller it is? Like as far as
Yeah.
how much screws.
Yeah,
So what does that mean?
I think that means your wheel's like,
It's going that way.
yeah, or this side's somehow further back.
Well, how do I fix that?
Okay. Oh, there you go.
Like that?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. This isn't a how-to video. We have no idea what we're doing.
I'm just spinning stuff, man.
We have no idea.
Looks good to me, right?
Yeah.
How tight do you want the chain?
Probably tighter than that. That's pretty loose. It's like my chain over there.
How's yours? Wiggle it. Oh gosh.
Yeah, they're super loose.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You have a crescent Allen?
That's not real. I'm just gonna hand you all the sizes that I have.
Do you have a 12?
Somewhere. Wait, here's a 12. Dude. Ask can you sell receive. You wanted a 12? Here's a 12.
Where'd my 12 go? There it is. I think what needs to...
You need to pull the wheel back more? That's how you get the chain here. Hold this.
No, you don't need to pull it back anymore. Cause
Sure?
Yeah.
Well, that's how you make the chain tighter, though.
Well, no,
isn't it?
that the bolts when you screw them in, they push the wheel back out,
Oh, really?
and that's what causes the tension. So here, do you have a pliers? Because I can't get this wrench in here.
Like this? I feel like there's a more efficient way to do this, but
I think you're supposed to tighten both of those nuts while they're next to each other.
why?
Is
Oh yeah,
that really
it definitely got tighter.
Okay.
Well, and look how much longer the screw's out too.
Yeah.
Remember how much shorter it was? That or it's a placebo effect.
Ooh.
What do you think?
That might be too tight.
Is it too tight at that point?
They're stuck together. Dang.
Might want to get out of here for a second. I think I just need to vacate the area. There you go. You can only get it so tight at this point because it won't be able to push it. Well, you'll be able to move the wheel anymore. How's that? It's freaking
Yeah.
good, dude. You think it's a little too loose or tight?
No, I think it should be fine.
Okay, I'll take your word for it. What if something happens? It's your fault. Are you prepared to take that responsibility?
I don't know. Yeah. How much is a new chain? $30?
How much is a new life when I die? $100?
100? Nah, 45.
Oh, fudge!
Maybe a burger at McDonald's.
Oh my gosh, dude, it's like $4.
Okay, so we got the chains all tightened. Yep, that one's good. And yeah, that one's good. Okay. So we need to clean the carburetor. Screw that. Yeah, we're gonna need 2 hands. Got the carburetors off. Here. Now we just need to find a screwdriver
I'm going insane.
to open them.
Where'd I put that screwdriver?
You got all the screwdrivers?
Fudge, yeah. There's just 4, right?
Oh, there you go, pop. Oh, your
What?
gasket came out with it. That's nice. At least not to pry it out.
Good, it's not broken either, right? Okay.
Nope.
Looks good to me. Okay. I mean, mine's already pretty freaking clean. It's
It's all dingy from the gas.
kind of grimy. It's all dingy.
Oh my god.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Oh, what?
My skin.
Then you're... There you go. Don't stop. Turn that off.
This guy's zip tying his front fender into his bike.
Oh, shoot. How do I get that tighter?
Does it make it looser? No?
No.
Oh, I'm impressed. Oh, trim that. It looks ugly.
Why? Okay, we're good. These two screws fell off,
Yeah.
and then this got detached from it, and then that screw fell off when I was riding, and it went somewhere. I think I have my other one, though.
Oh, the white one?
I don't know where I put my set of plastics. They're
Okay.
somewhere.
Are they in that box?
Nope. That's the Camaro parts. Jeez, I'm surprised that worked. Nice. All right. Fairing.
You got a front fender here.
Fairing. Wiggle yours. Is mine better than yours? Okay.
I think it's about the same.
Is that the same?
So, done. Both bikes. Oh, you don't have an air filter on.
I just want to see if this thing can move. Oh, okay. All right. It still spins. How much more do you want to work on these?
We can keep going on that if you want to. Got the carburetors all cleaned, chains tightened. Oh, we still gotta find your oil filter.
I don't know where that thing is, dude.
Well, I think they're pretty much done. We'll see.
Oh,
Hopefully they don't explode tomorrow. If they explode, then we didn't do a good job.
I wouldn't want to rely on this like a zombie apocalypse. Like, we're coming, get your bike started.
No, you would not get this thing started.
Nope. Just eat me. You have a lot better time. Right.